Hello friend, in today's video I am going to show you my favorite Java app which I like so. Just go to Play Store and search for Java n-ide. Install this Java n-ide. It provides you storage facility and it is user friendly. After installing, click on open. You will see an user interface like this, but I wrote this all program, so you won't get this program pop-up. You will get blank screen. Then you have to click on 3 lines and you will see this type of user interface. These are the folders. Inside these folders you are creating a Java file. To write Java program, you have to click in any of this folder plus icon. I am writing Java program and I will click on plus button. Then after clicking on plus button, you will see a pop-up window, create new file pop-up window. This is the storage path where this file will get stored. There are different formats. If you want to write Java program, then click on Java file. If you want to write XML, you have to click on XML file. In this video I am going to show you only the Java file, so click on Java file. This one is class name. You have to write a class name and package name is just a folder name. Create and click on create main function and click on OK. And start writing the program. This is the run button. You can see the play symbol, and this is run button. Click on this run button. Here you can see the output. Output says hello YouTube. I have written multiple programs in this app. This app works well. You can see Fibonacci series. I have written all this program and it's working. If you want file, that is bike.java file, to run on any of your laptop or PC, you just need to go in internal storage. Go to my files, click on internal storage, then go to the folder name called Java n-ide. Click on new folder, app folder, src folder, main folder, Java folder. Here you can see this all are the packages name which I have provided in the app, that is assignment 2 and all. As we have written YT, package name as YT, so in this folder our program will be there. Just click on YT and this is the program we have wrote, that is hello YouTube. If you want to use this program, if you want to use this file in your PC and run this file, just you need to make some changes. That is, you have to remove package name. Then after that you can run this program command prompt and you will see the output. this is all about today's video. This is the best Java app which I like. If you like some other apps, you can suggest me in the comment section.